Assalamu alaikum students. I am Sadaf Sania and this lecture is for your English of BA Part 2. As this is your first lecture, we will discuss your syllabus, books and paper pattern. There are two course books for this year. One is a selection from Modern English Essays. In this book, there is a collection of literary essays selected from different writers and from different sources in order to inculcate a proper learning of English language and the art of writing in English language. The second book is The Old Man and the Sea, that is a novel by Ernest Hemingway. That is your prose section. Now we will discuss your paper pattern. Paper for English for BA Part 2 consists of 100 marks. There are two sections in this paper. Section 1 consists of two questions from a selection from Modern English Essays. In this section, you will be given 3 questions and you will have to solve 2 questions. Each question carries 10 marks. That means you will get 20 marks from this question, from these questions. Question number 2 consists of again 3 questions from The Old Man and the Sea, that is the novel. You will have to solve 2 questions and each question carries 10 marks. So you will get 20 marks from this section as well. In total, you will get 40 marks from the section of prose. In this section, you will be asked questions from your syllabus and you will have to write comprehensive answers from the lessons in order to secure good marks. Section 2 consists of 4 parts. First part is writing of an essay with an outline. You will be given some topics and you will have to select one topic and write an essay, but first you will have to make an outline and discuss what you are going to write in that essay, and then you will write an essay. This question carries 25 marks, so it is a very important question, and we will discuss in detail how to write a good essay to secure good marks in this section. Then the next question is correction of sentences. In this question, you will be given 8 sentences. Every sentence will have some mistakes of grammar. You will be asked to correct 5 sentences. Every sentence carries 2 marks. That means you will get 10 marks from this question. Then the next question is idioms and phrasal verbs. You will be given 8 idioms and phrasal verbs. You will have to select 5 and make correct comprehensive sentences. Every sentence carries 2 marks, so you will get 10 marks from this section as well. Then the last question is letter writing or job application. That means you will be given a choice and you will have to write either a letter or a job application. The pattern of application and letter are very important, and you will have to write a correct application with correct pattern in order to secure good marks in this question. This question carries 15 marks, and we will discuss in further lectures how to write a correct letter and job application. In the next lecture, we will start the book A Selection of Modern English Essays. The first lesson is called Pakistan and the Modern World by Liaquat Ali Khan. We will discuss this lesson in detail, discuss the important questions, the important points, the themes of this lesson in detail. I hope you will come prepared for your next lesson. Allah Hafiz.